Greetings and salutations, you guys. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm here today with an unboxing, and I am super duper excited because I don't know how I manifested this into happening, but like I feel like I totally did. I saw this item online. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't know that this came in like a belt bag style. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you may know what I'm talking about because I posted a couple things about this on there. So if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, please consider doing it. It's itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Also, check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see whatever sales for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. The box just came today, so I'm very, very excited about it. I found this particular item on eBay, and boy, am I excited. I haven't bought anything on eBay in like a hot second. I've been primarily getting everything that I buy online from either Mercari or Poshmark, but this particular item was found on there, and I'm just like itching to open it up. Okay, it's right in here. Okay, so it came. Okay, so there's nothing else inside the box other than the packaging stuff. It came with like the little tag, so as you can tell, it's a Loewe bag. There's some paper in here. Lydia's shopping. I don't know if this originally came in this. Okay, it came inside this white dust bag. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. It has a little tag on it that says, "Do not remove. Refunds will not be accepted without this tag." Oh, it's so nice. Okay, so this is like it's a belt bag. This is the small. It has this little belt buckle right here. So you can open it like that. I don't really think I'm going to be wearing it like around my waist, like though I could. But I think I'm going to be wearing it like this. And then have it like up here, kind of like one of those chest bags. It is gorgeous. The leather is amazing. Inside here is all of the Loewe information stuff. Well, there's this, and then there's a little card inside there. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I am so excited. And then inside of the bag is the Loewe dust bag. Take out the paper and stuff. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Just checking everything. So here's a little Loewe tag. Right there. I'm trying to find the made in thingamajigger that says made in. Ah, here it is. It used to, I think the older bags have like a little tab. The newer ones have it like stamped like right inside there. I don't know if it's gonna show, but it's like right there. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am beyond excited. Like, I'm already gonna start using this right now. But I think this is called the small Loewe puzzle bum bag. I don't know if they come in other sizes other than the small, but it's always signified as being like the small size. And so there's this. And then actually right next to me, I've actually been using my regular puzzle bag, but this one is the medium size that I have. So this one is it definitely is a larger size. Oh my gosh, the small is actually such a cute size. I didn't know. But there's that, and then there's that. So this one's definitely a little different. This one's definitely bigger, and it's kind of like more of like a satchel style with a top handle and the crossbody strap. And this one, oh my gosh, you guys. I'm like seriously in shock right now. This is so cool. Do I want to extend it more, or do I like this length? I think I want to extend it one. It's really cool. You can actually extend it on both sides. It has a little thing right here that you can extend. You pop it up, and then this portion moves. So I could add a little bit more to it. Let me pop this up. Like, I think I just want a little bit more length. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. So this is how it looks like on. I am like pretty obsessed. Let me just, I love it. Like it sits really nicely right here. And then if you want to just like open it up, It's easy to get inside there. And then what's great is that normally this zipper pocket is on the back of the bag. This one is on the front, so you can easily grab stuff inside of here. Oh my goodness. I wonder if this front pocket can fit my cell phone. I have my iPhone 12. Unfortunately, it doesn't actually fit all the way in. The back pops out, but that's totally fine. I usually have my phone in my pocket anyway. Normally what I keep in the back pocket is actually my wallet. Let's actually try to put all this stuff inside and see how it all fits. So normally I would just have my wallet here in the front pocket or the back pocket, so it's easy to access, and then everything else I'll put in the inside. I have my sunglass case there. I always keep just like an extra mask in case I forget one when I'm walking out the door. I also always have this little lens cleaner for the camera, just in case I need to clean it, which I keep inside my bag as well. I have a little Chanel hand cream, which I am kind of slightly obsessed with. Then I also have an EOS chapstick there. I always have a couple extra spare batteries for the camera that I keep with me. I have gloves just in case I need any. The rest of the stuff in my bag is like literally receipts. I also have another like extra pair of sunglasses in case I forget my other pair, because I always take them out and like leave them places. So sometimes I'll have an extra pair of sunglasses with me, but everything still fits really nicely inside and it's not stretching the bag at all. And then last but not least, I do have a bunch of these. I have lens wipes, and then I also have Kleenex wet wipes like that are like germ removal, and then these I always just keep in there as well. And that is pretty much everything that I keep inside my bag, and it all fits inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This bag is so stinking cute. It sits so nicely crossbody. I really like it. The leather is so soft. It feels just like my other puzzle bag that I have. And Loewe bags are just like so beautifully well made and crafted. And I am like euphoric and giddy with delight. I am just so excited over this. I'm already gonna start using it. I'm definitely just gonna keep it, all my stuff inside of here already. And I am just like over the moon. So you can carry it like that. You can carry it just like this if you wanted on your shoulder. So stinking cute. You can also carry it, again, like I said, around your waist. Though I would probably not wear it like that really, but you definitely could. Let me show you guys how that looks. And that would be so that would be like this. Oh my gosh, when I was little, I used to have a fanny pack. It is so cute. I'm totally hands-free. Anything I need is like right here. So cute. I love the details on here as well. There's the little Loewe engraved onto the buckle. There's the little Loewe logo underneath all of the little stud button things. Has the Loewe embossed right there, the logo as well. This one is just like embossed in black. This one is embossed, but it's also in white. This is also an older style Loewe bag, because I don't know if the new ones, I think they don't have them anymore. They don't have like the little metal feet on the bottom anymore. But I do love the metal feet because they like add like an extra protection to the bag. But like since this is kind of like a belt bag, you wouldn't necessarily be like really setting it down all that much like that, so I think it's totally cool. I wonder how it feels carrying it like this. You can definitely carry it either way. There we go. That is the end of the video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me and checking out my new unboxing of my new small Loewe belt bag. I am so excited. I was a little gutted when the Totoro collection came out with Loewe, and I was just like, oh my gosh, everything is so expensive. And Loewe bags are already like super expensive, but then added with like how cute the Totoro stuff was, and there's no way you can get that like secondhand cheaper. Like everything I saw resell was already more expensive than it was when it first came out. And it didn't come in the belt bag, and I just thought I wanted to add something a little bit more different and new to the collection. Something that I think will still last for a really long time. And this is, yes, it is like a belt bag, which I think like bum bags in the past like kind of went out of style, but they have come back. They've made it like a resurgence, and I feel like they never really go away. Plus this is a really nice kind of like body bag that you can wear like this, or you can actually wear it across your back and then wear it like that. So I think it's very, very functional. It has lots of different ways that you can carry it, and I'm just so excited. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments, especially if you guys are new to the channel. Welcome, so happy to have you guys here. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I do post videos every single day on handbags, thrifting, cooking, handbag repairs, shoe repairs, and tons of other stuff. So go check it out. I love you guys so much. Check out today's vlog. It's up at 11, and the new thrifting video goes up tomorrow, but early at 7 a.m. And I'll see you guys all in that next video. Alright, bye!